Hey there, junior scientists. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey today? Have you ever wondered what happens to that empty cereal box or that used-up water bottle after you toss it in the recycling bin? Where do they go? And what do they become? Well, it goes on an awesome adventure called recycling. This journey transforms our old used items into something new and useful. Recycling is like giving trash a magic makeover. Imagine if your old toys could turn into brand new ones with just a bit of magic. It's taking things we're done using and turning them into something brand new. For example, that cereal box could become part of a new book, or that water bottle could be turned into a cozy fleece jacket. Think of it like this. Imagine building a fantastic castle out of blocks. You can create anything you dream of with those blocks. When you're done playing, do you throw all the blocks away? Nope. You keep them to build something else, right? You can use them to build something new, like a rocket ship or a robot. The possibilities are endless. That's what recycling is all about, using things again instead of throwing them away. It's like giving our old stuff a second chance at life. Recycling is super important because it helps us protect our planet Earth. By recycling, we can keep our environment clean and healthy. When we recycle, we reduce the amount of trash that ends up in landfills, which are like giant trash piles. These landfills can grow very large and take up a lot of space. Landfills take up lots of space and can be harmful to the environment. They can pollute our air and water and harm wildlife. Plus, recycling saves precious resources like trees, water, and energy. By recycling paper, we save trees. By recycling plastic, we save oil and reduce pollution. So, are you ready to become a recycling superstar? You have the power to make a big difference. Let's learn more about how we can all be Earth-saving heroes. Together, we can make our planet a better place to live. Now that you know what recycling is, let's meet the recycling superstars, the materials we can recycle. These materials are everyday items that we often use and discard, but with a little effort, they can be given a new life. First up, we have paper, the superhero of the classroom. Paper is everywhere, in our books, notebooks, and even in the packaging of our favorite snacks. Newspapers, magazines, cardboard boxes, they can all be recycled into new paper products. This means that the paper you use today could be transformed into a new notebook or even a piece of art tomorrow. That means fewer trees have to be cut down. By recycling paper, we help preserve our forests and protect the homes of many animals. Next, we have plastic, the master of disguise. Plastic is incredibly versatile and can be found in countless forms from water bottles to toys. Plastic bottles, containers, and packaging can be transformed into fleece jackets, carpets, and even playground equipment. Imagine wearing a jacket that was once a plastic bottle. Just remember, not all plastic is the same, so always check those recycling symbols. Each type of plastic has a different recycling process, so it's important to sort them correctly. Let's not forget about glass, the champion of clarity. Glass is unique because it can be recycled endlessly without losing its quality. Glass jars and bottles can be recycled over and over again without losing their quality. This means that a glass bottle you recycle today could become a new glass bottle in the future. They can be melted down and made into new glass containers, saving tons of energy. Recycling glass also reduces the need for raw materials, which helps protect the environment. And finally, we have metals, the kings and queens of strength. Metals like aluminum and steel are incredibly durable and can be recycled many times. Aluminum cans and steel food cans are recyclable superstars. They can be melted down and reformed into new products, reducing the need for mining new metals. They can be recycled into new cans, bikes, and even parts for cars. This not only saves resources, but also reduces pollution and energy consumption. Remember, these are just a few examples of the many materials we can recycle. There are so many other items that can be given a second life through recycling. Keep your eyes peeled for more recycling superstars in your everyday life. By recycling, we can all play a part in protecting our planet and creating a more sustainable future. Hold on tight, because we're about to go on an exciting adventure, the recycling journey. It all starts when you toss your empty cereal box or soda can into the recycling bin. That's where the real magic begins. First, a big truck comes to collect all the recycling from your neighborhood. It takes the recycling to a special facility called a recycling center. At the recycling center, the real sorting begins. Workers and machines work together to separate the different types of recyclables like paper, plastic, glass, and metal. Once the recyclables are sorted, they take a bath. Well, not exactly. They go through a cleaning process to remove any leftover food, labels, or other contaminants. Now, the recyclables are ready for their big transformation. They're sent to factories where they're melted down, crushed, or processed into raw materials. And guess what? These raw materials are used to make brand new products like paper towels, backpacks, toys, and so much more. It's like magic, but it's real-life science in action. Section 4. Why recycling rocks? Saving the planet, one bottle at a time. Recycling is super cool, but it's also incredibly important for our planet. When we recycle, we're like superheroes fighting against pollution and waste. By reusing materials, we reduce the amount of trash that ends up in landfills, which helps keep our environment clean and healthy. Recycling is also a big energy saver. It takes a lot less energy to make new products from recycled materials than it does to make them from scratch. Think about it. Recycling an aluminum can saves enough energy to power a TV for 3 hours. Wowzers! But wait, there's more. Recycling also helps conserve our planet's precious natural resources. Trees, water, minerals, these are all valuable resources that we need to protect. Recycling helps us use these resources wisely and make sure we have enough for everyone in the future. So, you see, recycling isn't just about tossing things in a bin. It's about making a real difference for our planet and our future. Section 5. Be a recycling detective. Sorting your trash like a pro. Ready to put on your detective hat and become a recycling pro? Great! The first step to recycling like a champ is knowing what can and can't be recycled. Look for the recycling symbol. It's a triangle made of arrows, on containers and packaging. Next, it's time to sort your recyclables like a boss. Different communities have different rules about what can be recycled, so it's important to check with your local recycling program. Some places want you to sort your recyclables into different bins, while others have a single stream system where you can put everything together. Once you know what to recycle, it's important to prepare your items correctly. Rinse out food containers to prevent any sticky messes and remove any lids or caps. Flatten cardboard boxes to save space in your recycling bin. And remember, never bag your recyclables. Loose recyclables are easier to sort at the recycling center. By following these simple tips, you'll be a recycling detective extraordinaire, making sure the right materials end up in the right place. Section 6. Recycling in action, from your house to the whole wide world. Recycling is happening all around us, from our homes to our schools to our communities. It's a collective effort that starts with each one of us and extends to the larger world. At home, you can set up a recycling station with different bins for paper, plastic, glass, and metal. This makes it easy for everyone in the family to sort their recyclables properly. Encourage your family to recycle everything they can and make it a fun competition to see who can recycle the most. You can even create a reward system to keep everyone motivated. Schools are also big on recycling. They play a crucial role in teaching the next generation about the importance of recycling and sustainability. Many schools have recycling programs in place, with special bins for paper, plastic, and cardboard. These programs often include educational components to help students understand the impact of their actions. You can even start a recycling club at school and help educate your classmates about the importance of recycling. Organize events, create posters, and spread the word to make a bigger impact. In your community, you might see recycling bins at parks, libraries, and other public places. These bins make it convenient for everyone to recycle, no matter where they are. Some communities even have curbside recycling pickup, where a truck comes to collect your recyclables right from your home. This service makes it easier for families to participate in recycling without having to transport their recyclables to a facility. Recycling is a global effort, with countries all over the world working together to reduce waste and protect our planet. Different nations have their own systems and methods, but the goal is the same: to create a more sustainable future. It's amazing to think that something as simple as recycling an aluminum can in your kitchen can have a positive impact on the environment all the way across the globe. Every small action contributes to a larger movement, helping to conserve resources and reduce pollution. Beyond individual efforts, community events like beach cleanups and recycling drives bring people together to make a significant difference. These events not only help clean up the environment, but also raise awareness about the importance of recycling. Advances in recycling technology are also playing a crucial role. Modern recycling plants can process a wide variety of materials more efficiently than ever before, turning waste into valuable resources. The products we buy can also support recycling efforts. Look for items made from recycled materials and choose eco-friendly options whenever possible. This helps create a market for recycled goods and encourages more companies to adopt sustainable practices. Education is key to sustaining recycling efforts. Schools, community centers, and even online platforms offer programs to teach people of all ages about the benefits of recycling and how to do it correctly. Remember, recycling is a universal language that transcends borders. No matter where you are in the world, the principles of recycling remain the same. By working together, we can make a significant impact on our planet's health and future. Section 7. Recycling, your superpower to save the planet. So there you have it, recycling superheroes. You've learned what recycling is, why it's important, and how you can do your part to make a difference. Remember, every little bit counts. Even recycling one plastic bottle or one aluminum can help conserve resources, reduce pollution, and protect our planet. Recycling is like having a superpower. It's a simple action that can have a huge impact on the world around us. By choosing to recycle, you're choosing to be a responsible citizen of Earth and a hero for the environment. So go out there and spread the word. Tell your friends, family, and neighbors about the importance of recycling. Together, we can make a real difference and create a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future for generations to come. Keep up the fantastic work, recycling superstars.